Sears brand, the Forecast 12 typewriter. Before we get detailed, let's see the other stuff. Okay. I already previous video explain about the Tower typewriter and then Sears manual typewriter. I selected some typewriter at that time sales price over $100, as you see from Sears. The Forecast 12, there are two versions of Forecast 12. The early version is 1965, second version is 1966, from 1966. That's the most expensive typewriter from the Sears in the history. So $127.95. This is that typewriter. So that means this typewriter fully equipped, functionally, the fully equipped. I will show you more detail later. Before that, so that's the 1966, right? It's Sears Forecast 12, 1966. I found another advertiser, this one, from the antique typewriter collectors from the Facebook. Someone put this advertising. This advertising was printed in the California, some newspaper, 1967, June. See the price, the Smith Corona Classic 12 power space. Power space means like this one, refit function, right? Price is at that time, sale price is $127.50. So this one is $127.95. So very close, right? This one with the same function. If we calculate this price now this day, it's over $1,000, closer to the 1,200 something. Yeah. So that's why I want to show. Another interesting is SM9 at the time. It's almost $20, right? That means Sears Classic 12 is a more expensive a little bit. But I'm not sure which one is better. Okay, and then electric is much expensive at that time. These days very cheap electric. Anyway, let's look at this one more detail. This typewriter has some very unique stuff. So have a half space and then repeat. Repeat means like this. Okay, that's the repeat. The half space is it's after hit, and the half space. Usually, half space was used to the edit or typo, correct typo, something like that. Yeah. And then another special thing is if you move pattern to the beginning light, and then did you see this symbol, this one? This one is like looks like early computer. DOS computer. It looks like cursor, right? Yes, exactly. Looks like a cross symbol. So that means if we hit this one, look at here. Yeah, it's an indent. The beginning of the paragraph. That's the another function. And then touch control here. Another thing is this one. Normally the Smith Corona, the cover, it's like very, we can often very, I mean the space is very small, but this one is a little different. First like this, and then it's one hand, it's a little bit hard. Oh, okay. First like this, and then we can open like this. See, that's the difference. Why? Because there is some space for here. I already explained about this and then this, right? We can replace this one. I mean the change with this. We can change also this and then this. See? But another thing, they have this space for change the type storage box. So I have an extra one, so it's put here. That's fit exactly like this. That's another unique thing. See? Yeah. So this typewriter is fully equipped, right? So that's why most expensive from the Sears typewriters. This one is the most. But this one a little bit weak part, and then this one. This is plastic, except this other is all metal. So it's okay. Okay, let's see. I used the one hand, so a little bit. Okay, I put the cover again. And then I already mentioned about this previous video. The Tower brand, they all metal instead of plastic. Same thing around here. Tower brand is all metal, but after Sears brand, they changed this part from the metal to plastic. So around here, just metal, and after that, put the plastic. So I mentioned it is not good because it's easily broken. See? Already this one is broken, so I put together using the super glue, crazy glue. So I don't want to use this part for the carriage release because maybe it will be broken again. So that's the one thing I think it's not good. So this one is easily, see, take off. So I like the previous version. Their whole thing is made by metal, so it's very strong. But except that this touch feeling is good, very accurate. Yeah, I like this typewriter, except this part plastic, and then this. Except that it's very good, fully functional. Okay, let's see some sample typing. Okay. Thank you for watching.